What's up guys, feeding tayo itong ating Poecilotheria metallica. Yan, bigyan natin ng roach. Ayun, napakaganda ng takedown. Kita nyo guys yung dumi ng ipis or ng roach natin, lumalabas yan. Napakaganda na takedown yan, lumalabas pa, bumubula-bula pa. Ayun guys, yan lang for today's video, feeding natin.